Welcome back to Paw Dog News. Let's look back on our great week.
The third graders have been working really hard on their multiplication.
Recently, they started to do their banana splits.
Encourage one another so that they can put the cherry on top and can get to their banana split party in May.
Magazine sales are still going on.
Support the school by buying your favorite books. The sales will be ending February 8th, so don't miss out on some great reads. Did you know we have a day to celebrate Just Kids?
Well, on Tuesday, Friday, 5th, we can wear our pajamas and celebrate a day for just us kids.
Wow, what a great day that'll be.
Keep up the hard work and always be on your best behavior.
Trivia time!
What often falls in the winter but never gets hurt.
Snow. What is the name of the fairy in Peter Pan? Tinkerbell.
The weather is getting colder, so make sure to bundle up.